the shoes.
Hey, let me see.
She's got the feet on the wrong
Candy,
shoes.
let me see.
She's got the feet on the wrong shoes.
No, I got it.
The headband's catching her hair, Julie. There's some kind of a little
She was standing.
hick on it.
No one will take the picture, and I can't.
Yeah, just a minute. Hello, patient. I got it. Patient. But she didn't want to.
Oh,
Melody,
pretty
love.
princess.
Oh, such a pretty girl.
There.
Stay on there, really. Her hair's fly.
That's okay. Just carry it like a little flower.
Carry it like a bouquet in your hand. Oh, now,
Oh, not your hair.
there you go. That's lovely.
There, pretty.
Be a ballerina. Oh,
That hair.
I want to put it on.
There we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Turn around, Cam.
Lovely.
Yay!
Wow.
Let Daddy get a picture.
I got it. I'm filming her. Very pretty.
In 2 months, you'll have a party.
Oh.
You have to wait too.
gloves.
Yours is on
Yeah,
jewelry.
like what are these
I
for?
know, and Daddy's has to wait till December.
Mommy,
Jeez, Cammy.
Captain.
Mina, Cammy.
Daddy.
Ready? Cheese. Cammy. Woohoo.
Look at Mom and smile.
Cammy. Cammy. Cammy.
I'm your mother.
Are you hot?
Cammy, can you do this?
She keyed on that. I'm your mother. Looked right at me. No, you're not my mother.
Mommy.
Cammy, go.
Candy, go like that. Just stand still and go.
Well, I can't do that.
Yeah, just like this. Just like this.
Well, I'm just a little girl.
Oh, right.
Oh, just a little girl.
Mommy, I want to put the ballerina on too.
I need to go put your magician on.
No, I want to put the ballerina on and do a ballerina.
Pretty.
Cammy will let you borrow.
Okay, I'll go ask. Now, Cam, would you take the ballerina off? I will try. No one wants a ballerina all by myself. Oh, she won't do it.
All right. Happy birthday, Cam.
Did we have that?